Welcome to our channel. Today, you are watching a professional Pangas fish cutting process, clean, precise, and carefully done by skilled hands. Pangas fish, also known as Pangas, is one of the most popular freshwater fish in the world. It is widely consumed in the United States, Europe, and many Asian countries because of its soft texture, mild flavor, and affordable price. In this video, you will see how a large Pangas fish is prepared step by step, from raw whole fish to clean market-ready cuts. Pangas fish is raised mainly in freshwater rivers and controlled farms. Its fast growth rate and high meat yield make it one of the most commercially valuable fish in the global seafood industry. What makes Pangas special is its thick white flesh, low bone count, and smooth texture. That's why it is commonly used for fillets, steaks, and frozen seafood products. Before any cutting begins, proper cleaning and inspection are extremely important to ensure food safety and quality. The process starts by washing the fish thoroughly with clean water. This step removes surface dirt, slime, and any unwanted residue. Next, the outer skin is carefully scraped to make the cutting process easier and cleaner. Experienced cutters know exactly how much pressure to apply to avoid damaging the flesh underneath. Clean handling at this stage plays a major role in maintaining the freshness and taste of the fish. Now comes the first major cut, removing the head. This is done using a sharp, heavy knife with a single confident motion. Precision is important here. Clean cut reduces waste and keeps the remaining body intact for further processing. The head is usually separated for soup or other traditional dishes, depending on local demand. After removing the head, the belly is opened carefully. The internal organs are removed slowly to avoid breaking the gallbladder, which can affect taste. This step requires experience and patience. A skilled cutter ensures that the inside of the fish is completely clean, leaving no unwanted parts behind. Once cleaned, the fish is washed again to maintain hygiene and freshness. Pangas fish has thick skin, which is often removed or trimmed, depending on the final use. In this video, you can see how the skin is handled smoothly without damaging the meat. The knife glides between the flesh and skin with controlled movements. This technique ensures maximum meat recovery and a clean finish. Now the fish body is cut into large sections. Each cut is measured carefully to maintain uniform size. Uniform cuts are important for market presentation and cooking consistency. Whether the fish is used for frying, grilling, or packaging. Even pieces add value. The cutter's hand movements show years of experience and precision. At this stage, the fish can be cut into thick steaks or separated into fillets. Pangas fillets are especially popular in American and European markets. They are boneless, easy to cook, and suitable for a wide range of recipes. Each piece is checked for bones and trimmed neatly to ensure high quality. Before finishing, all fish pieces are washed once again. This final rinse removes any remaining blood or loose tissue. Clean presentation is essential in professional fish processing. Freshness, hygiene, and precision define the value of the final product. Proper fish cutting is not just about speed. It's about skill, safety, and respect for food. Every step in this process ensures that the fish reaches consumers in the best possible condition. For seafood lovers, this behind-the-scenes look shows the effort and expertise involved before fish reaches the plate. Thank you for watching this Pangas fish cutting process. If you enjoy professional seafood preparation videos like this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more real, raw, and authentic fish processing content from skilled hands. See you in the next video.